Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. My name is Ila Anant Acharya and you are listening to my podcast Sangrila with Ila Anant Acharya. I am very much grateful to all those who are listening to my podcast and giving me an amazing response on it. Thank you so very much. So today's episode is episode number 6 and it is also based on the chapter number 6 from the book The 5 AM Club by Robin Sharma. So the title of today's episode is Preparation for the Transformation. Yes, so in this chapter he has given some very important points to remember and to follow. So I will just list down that important points from this chapter, and if you want to know more, if you want to really find out what else has been given over in this chapter, you can go through the book, and it is available in audio and in PDF version also, and you at least have to go through it once to know what details it has. So the first point in this chapter is, because it is all about transformation, so it says that the life of the caterpillar must end for the glory of the butterfly to shine. That is, if you want to change your life, if you want to transform your life, then you have to move out from your comfortable zone. You have to push your limits, and if you have to grow, then as caterpillar does, it has to just broke it from its shield and come back in a beautiful butterfly. So you can do that. Second point it says is that great power is unleashed with a simple start. You have to start from somewhere. So I can say you have to start right now, from today itself, to bring the change. You don't have to wait for the ideal condition. This is like giving an example. If you have to lose weight, if you want to lose weight, what you are waiting for, and you have to run for losing the weight. So you are just waiting for the ideal condition, that if once I will lose weight, I will start running. It is not like that. You have to start running to lose weight. Not you have to just wait that once I will lose weight and then I will start running, or once I will get this, then I will be able to do this. It is not like that. You have to start from somewhere, and when you will start, believe me that one step is the most important step. You can move then to second step, third step, and then move towards your goal, and it will definitely going to lead towards your goal. Anyway, so great power is unleashed with a simple start, and you have to start right now. The third point is the flow of life rewards positive action and punishes hesitation. So don't hesitate, please. If you really want to have a change in your life, make a change in your life for the good of your life, then don't wait. Just in the flow, start doing small actions, and you are really going to get your results. A bad day for the ego is a great day for the soul. So ego means that unwanted chattering, that excuses which has been provided to you by your mind, that you can do that, you are very fat, you cannot run, don't start, wait for till you lose 5 kg, then you can start running. So this is all egos which is letting you don't start. So don't hesitate, face your fear, and at least start, give it a try, and you can see that how well you can do. And you are magical, you are really phenomenal, you have got an immense talent inside you. Please don't waste it. Use all these which is there inside you. Now moving to the that is the most important part. Fifth point, real power never comes from anywhere external, it is inside you. That is what I was mentioning you. You have the all big abundant talent inside you. There is so many things, and you are this magical human being who can do anything. So please, you don't find anywhere external, it is inside you, and start doing it. Growth is the real sport that the best play every day. So the main aim of the life, why you have come over here, is to grow. And if you're not growing, you are stagnant, you are stuck somewhere, then you are not living the life. Then you are just you are just a robot kind of thing, not having anything, you cannot move, you are not enjoying your life. You have to enjoy your life, you have to feel joy, you have to feel happy, and you have to grow. Because when you're happy, when you're feeling good, when you are joyous, you are growing in all the areas of your life. So feel happy, be happy, and do whatever makes you happy. And here there is one more point he's mentioning, is that there is one formula which is titled as 2x3x mindset. That is, if you have to double your income and impact, then you have to triple your investment in the two core areas of your life, which is your personal mastery and your professional capability. More about this will come in the upcoming episode. So this is a formula which has been mentioned in this book by Robin Sharma. Now the 8th point is, health is the crown on the well person's head that only the ill person can see. So health is wealth. You have to be physically fit, and you have to live long to have a legendary life and a amazing things if you want to achieve in life. So take care of your physical health, mental health, emotional health, and be healthy. The 9th point is, elite production without quiet vacation causes lasting depletions. That you don't only have to work and work and work. The work should not be linear. It should be, in a oscillation manner, that you have to work, you have to reach to a certain point, then relax, come back down, then again with that relaxation, it is like a charging of our battery. When you are using it is getting depleted. So what we do, you just put a charger inside it, again the battery is up, and again when you're using it is down. So accordingly you have to charge yourself. So charging is done by going on to the vacation. So resting and recovery is not a luxury to anyone committed to mastery, but it is a necessity. You have to refuel yourself. Go to a wonderful place. You have to have a hobby, enjoy, love what you are doing, and then you can be more effective, you can be more productive, you can be more efficient in your work. So I hope all these points which are which are there in the chapter number 6 will help you to grow. And if you have any more doubt, anything else, please do let me know. Also follow me on my YouTube channel and other social media handles. Thank you so much.